the innovative data bundles to unbeatable mobile deals, Eswatini Mobile has carved its name as the bold disruptor in the local telecoms space. Now, of course, the homegrown network is back at it again, launching yet another exciting promotion that is designed to put more power, to put more value, as well as access in the hands of Eswatini. Your hands. Now, joining us this morning, the head of commercial of Eswatini Mobile, Nosipho Xaba. She's here to unpack the latest campaign that has got the country talking. Good morning, Tian. How are you?
Hi, Spencer. How are you?
Doing all right. Can't complain. I'm just excited about this new promotion, mainly because obviously Eswatini Mobile has made itself synonymous with innovation in the telecom space, and we love to see innovation. How do you continue to sustain that momentum?
Yes, Fizz. To be honest, it's difficult, but without going deep,
Yeah.
I think for us it boils down to leadership. We are led, Sfiso, at Eswatini Mobile. I think Eswatini, they know that we are under the leadership of our executive chairman, Michelo Shakantu. And for us is to become Africa's leading integrated business partner. But in essence, that means leading in every space that we operate in, leading in product quality, service, customer experience. And that would mean, Sfiso, Liswati is at the center of what we do. The customer is at the center of what we do. And pusha gangaga. And on top of that, we have core values.
Right.
Our values are not just writings on the wall. It's who we are. And I think we have demonstrated that because I know Eswatini, they are looking for this amazing formula, but it's just that we are an agile team. We are able to embrace change. We are accountable. All our 5 values. So we embody them, and that's what is keeping us going.
I love everything that you're mentioning. I'm trying to make some notes here. You mentioned product quality, you mentioned service, you mentioned customer experience, and we can certainly see that you are very customer-centric. But the thing that I love the most is that you say that your core values are not just writings on the wall. And indeed, we see you guys always on the roads. We see you in boardrooms. We see you always trying to get to the consumer. Let's turn our attention to the latest offering and see how you're able to turn that from the writings on the wall into practice, the Wear promotion. What is the core message behind this campaign?
Okay, we are very excited at Eswatini Mobile about this new promotion, and I think every time we're just thinking, how do we, partner with the customer? And with the Buye Kaya promotion, what we are saying is, this is your network. This is your affordable network. For some reason, along the 8 years that we've been in the market, ushiyile, and we're not sad. But we're saying, come back home. Sikuphekele kudla lokumnanzi, in-network ready to have you. Like I said, customer experience. We try to excel in that. So we know that, so bamfuna basebu bagu relationship.
Right.
Sometimes we're going to
100%.
Exactly.
100%.
So for whatever reason, ushiyile salubuya.
I like that. What does this Buyeka promotion look like in practice? For the viewer at home that's wondering, because we've seen a lot of promotions that you guys have been doing. I know you're just wrapping up one of the most exciting ones. In fact, I was just looking on social media, looking at the anticipation that Eswatini have whenever you're going to announce a winner. The engagement is crazy, but that also just shows how much they are engaged with the brand itself. And you mentioned 8 years now. It feels like it's been 30 years because it feels like home for a lot of us. Eswatini, what does Buyeka promotion look like in practice? What are you promoting, really?
Okay, so this is what the promotion entails. We have a special offer for these customers. These are customers that have been away for more than 3 months. So your SIM card has shown inactivity in the network for more than 3 months. That is 90 days. So sitsigena sale ubuya ke ku network. But asithi nje buya. Sikuphekele kudla lokumnanzi kwa 10 emalangeni. That's the only cost attached to it. But this is what you're getting for that 10 emalangeni is fish. 60 minutes on it. Shooting 60 minutes with Charlotte Nombota Eswatini Mobile. You have 5 minutes kushayela tihlobo tetfu letingaphandle kwa Eswatini Mobile. Then una 5 SMSs wekusendela onke ema network in the country. And then on top of that, you have 1 GB data anytime.
Yeah.
There's no split, there's no nighttime, there's no daytime. Anytime you have 1 GB to use on the internet. So that is the special offer that we have prepared for these customers.
I noticed that the language that you normally use, I'm just looking at my own Eswatini mobile messages here. So you're talking about on-net, NF Bank, off-net voice, NF Bank, all of that. So they get to get all of that through this reconciliation. It's so beautiful. But there's a specific interest around this Samsung A16. Why was this device chosen? That's the first one. And how does it complement the goals of the campaign? So.
Okay. So, Sfiso, you know, good relationship. Omunvu, it's the work that you do in the relationship that makes the person stay.
Right, right.
So we said, we understand you could say probably nema trust issues, right?
Yeah.
So now you are back with the 10 Malangeni offer, and then we have something more for you on top of that. You just need to keep your SIM card active for a minimum of 15 days. So that phela lo budlelwano utosipha isikhathi vele ukuthi bubuye buphile. But now, getting to the draw, lekufaka ukuthi uwine lo Samsung A16, which is a good phone, and it is 5G capable.
Wow.
Yeah, because phela emaswata yati ukuthi we are the only network nyalo le roll out over 40 5G sites in the country. So this device is 5G capable. Now, what are we saying? We're saying be active a minimum of 15 days in the month. Let's just say we are buya nyalonga July. In the month, try to be active for 15 days, and then top up one of our affordable no frills packages, and then utakhona kungenela let draw. Yes, Samsung A16.
I love the example of a relationship, because indeed it is a relationship, and a relationship only thrives when each one of us keeps our end of the bargain. And Eswatini Mobile is showing that they are keeping their end of the bargain, but you're also being too generous to the people, and I suppose that is why they always come to you.
Yeah.
Looking ahead now, let's look ahead. Eswatini Mobile is always looking to expand. You mentioned 8 years. It sounds so surreal and unreal that you've been able to expand so much in just a period of 8 years. Your expansion sort of strategy, a very critical concern for many Emaswati. What tangible commitments are there that Eswatini can make about, improving accessibility and coverage?
Okay. So I'm glad, Sfiso, you acknowledge Logutsi. We've been able to do all of this in a space of 8 years.
Yeah.
And like you said, it does seem like it's been 30 years. And that's what hard workers, do. It always just feels like, But Sfiso, as a part of our commitment to make sure Gutsi Emaswati they're able to play in the digital space, we've created the affordable packages, right? But more than that, we're expanding the network coverage, because we do understand that there are still gaps as you move across the country. But asikatalalis. So currently, the network team is working on kuphakamisa ema sites across the country. So we have, the project will be in 2 phases. Right now we're busy siphakamisa 25 sites. There will be another 25 sites that will come up again in the same financial year. Lawa locations include le emakhaya la suka khona, because Emaswati, I want to assure them that we're not just about the urban. We're not just about the cities. But we do remember ukuthi suka phile emakhaya. So nalapho since recently besembaga, customer they did raise concerns ukuthi kena sesijoinile sibanengi. There seems to be a bit of congestion. Sivuleleni capacity, and we had. And one of the sites, Lepagamago, ikona kona Mbaga.
I'll tell you what, I love the fact that you went to the people of Mbaga to listen to their concerns and their impediments, and you are responding to that. And I suppose that is what a real network is supposed to do. And I love the decentralization aspect of it all. Head of Commercial, Nosipo Tlaba, Eswatini Mobile, Buyeka promotion is officially underway?
Yeah.
It's officially underway?
Yes, and I want to add that the artisans, we will upload them go website. But just to maybe run through them, you have to be 18 years and above of age.
Fair enough.
You have to have registered, because remember, ngubuye khaya.
Yeah.
So you've been a customer
Yeah.
before, and also you are VELA compliant. We are regulated by Eswatini. Eswatini unema regulations abo, and so we believe with the customer they must comply to Eswatini's regulations. So, but please, we'll be communicating with the customer social media, our website. We encourage them to go follow our socials so that they keep they're updated on the promotion.
Ngosi ngabe sengitsa iLgogo, and she has explained everything succinctly. Nosipho Xaba, head of commercial, Eswatini Mobile, Buye Khaya promotion. Let's go for a net break. We have Patism CB in studio, ready to take us through what is happening, what is the latest with the midlalo.